everyone, welcome to a new video. So today I'm trying to reach out to a friend and the rest of the internet that needs help with this. So today I'm showing you guys how to get Paint.net. No virus, no anything. If you don't know what Paint.net is, it is it's a photo editor, a picture editor, basically an alternative to Photoshop if you don't have enough money to get Photoshop, or you can get a cracked version of Photoshop, but it's more of a user-friendly, and it can almost do everything that Photoshop can do if you know how to use it right. So anyways, this is a safe way to download it. I will link the links in the video in the description, and let's get right into it. So, first of all, you want to go to your browser. I'm going to use Chrome for this. That's all you have to do is go to your browser and then search up getpaint.net. That's literally all you have to do. And here I am. I'm right here in the paint.net, getpaint.net, just like that. getpaint.net. All you have to do. Like I said, I'm going to link it in the description. Just as simple as that. Then if you could also, one more thing. You see this? This is not the download for paint.net. That's not the download for paint.net. That's not the download for paint.net. None of these big old green start now buttons are not paint.net. You want to know what's paint.net? You see this up at the top highlighted in purple? It says get it now, free download. Get paint.net in whatever version you're looking at. Click on it. If you want to get it for $7, get it on Windows. If you want to get it for free and basically do the same things, click on download now, the .pdn. That's all you have to do. And then it should say free download now. Do not click on this. If you click on this and get a virus, I'm not responsible for it. Go to free download now, paint.net 4.2.10. Also, you're going to need WinRAR for this. I think I have a video showing that. If I don't, I guess I will make one, like, exactly how to get WinRAR, because it's not hard. But if you don't have it, or 7-zip works the exact same. I have my McAfee there. So, what you want to do is you just want to minimize that, drag it to your desktop. You can close out of that once you're done, and you can X out of that when you're done too. Yes, it did just oof when I closed that. Now, you drag it to your desktop, and you want to right click it, and it should say extract here or extract files. If you extract here, it should bring out this. If you want to do it the even better way, the more smooth way, the kind of way that makes it look nice, it organizes it, just extract to paint.net, whatever. You should see that in there. And so when you do that, you should see the emblem. If you just open it up straight from WinRAR, you're not going to see it because it's an application folder in WinRAR. If you open up from here, you will, because it's an installer. It's an exe. So what you want to do is you just want to click it twice or run it. And you see it is by .pdn. Like I said, it's a verified publisher. You just press yes, and it should install it. I'm not going to install it again. So what you just want to do is you just want to go to Express, basically. I think it's, well, I mean, if you just want to go to that, if you go to that and you want to do your custom settings, feel free, man. Or I do Express, I think, because it just kind of leads you. Then you just go to I agree, and it should install paint.net for you. But I'm not going to install it, so I'm just going to close out of that real quick, because I do not want to install it again, because I already have it installing. So, I don't have it installing, I already have it installed. So, anyways, you guys, that's how to get paint.net for absolutely free, no viruses, no anything. It's completely safe, and if this helped anybody out, if it helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.